Hello my friends, welcome to a new video. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody's well and enjoying some really nice weather. Well, I'm sitting right here next to my pine tree in my spot, but listen guys, I'm surrounded by mosquito, and the only reason that they're not biting me is because I put on some repellent that I made, and so they're buzzing around, but I don't care because they hate the smell, so they don't bite me. And hence the reason I'm in this kind of attire, hat, and my hood is over my ears because they tend to bite on the air. I don't know, they're so smart. I think these mosquitoes, look, there's one on my glasses. I think these mosquitoes went to university or something. Like any exposed part that doesn't have any repellent on it, they just zoom on it and bite you. But anyways, the video is not about mosquitoes today. It's about the garden. So I am sitting right in my new garden. Yes, this new garden right next to the house, as I show you guys in the previous video. So in the previous video, I show you all clearing up the area and getting rid of all the debris and stuff that was here. And today I am going to show you the progress from the previous video, what we planted. Today I am going to be putting in my pumpkins and squash because this area is a big enough area. I said, oh, I'm just gonna do pumpkins here, but I realized I can plant many other things here, which is really reasonably close to the house. I'm even thinking of making like a raised bed or something here just to put some herbs on something because there's still space. And I even want to put like a little outdoor kitchen outside here because I always wanted to have an outdoor kitchen. But anyways, let me show you guys all the things that was planted, and then we will get into the pumpkin video. So yeah, let's do that. So this was all the things that was planted. So right here I have some long beans. Over here I have some cabbages. Next I have some sunflower that I planted here. In this bed I planted calendula and marigolds. Over here I have some more calendula, more marigold, eggplant, and cucumbers. And in this area here I have corn, sweet corn in those holes there. All of these holes I put in sweet corn. And in this area right here I am going to be planting all my pumpkins and squash. So let's go back and sit on my chair there and I'll show you what I'm planting. But let me give you a little overview of what the garden looks like. Yeah, so this is what it looks like for now. Remember what it looked like before, all filled with weeds and all kind of stuff. I went to Walmart and I bought some cow manure, so I'm putting some cow manure in the hole. But I have a lot of nice compost that I'm going to put once the plants come up, once the seeds germinate and they come up. I am going to put some of my nice compost in the hole and some bone meal once they pop up. Okay friends, so now let me show you what I'm going to be planting in the holes that I already dug. I am going to show you my assortment of squash and pumpkins that I'm going to plant. And I usually plant them just like that. Like I don't plant one set of pumpkins in one area and the other one. I just put them all together and they do well. And last year I did a different method. Like I planted them in hills and they didn't do too well. But the other previous year I planted them just in the ground. I just dig holes, put soil, I just put compost and just some bone meal and some Epsom salt, and they did amazing. Like I had pumpkins, like I had no space to put them. I had to give them away because I just didn't have the space. So I'm doing the same thing this year in a new place. So these are the ones that I like to grow the best. So these are the ones that I'm growing. These are the ones we enjoy. So this is a butternut squash, this one. Well, we call it like a Jamaican pumpkin. We love this one. And it lasts all through the winter. We store it in our cellar, so we love growing this one. So I'm growing this one. The next one is this squash. It's called a butternut squash. This one actually was buttercup. So this is buttercup squash, but we call it Jamaican pumpkin. And then this one is the butternut squash. And this one lasts up to 4 months in the cellar, but it doesn't last longer than that. And if the temperature increase or if the temperature drop, it tends to spoil. So this one, I have to cut it up and freeze it when I grow a lot of it. But this one is really good. I store this one for 1 whole year, and when I opened them, they were all intact and they were just perfect. The next one I'm growing is just another pumpkin that I buy again. It's like a West Indian pumpkin that I buy at the grocery store. And every time I buy one pumpkin, I save some of the seeds. And so these seeds are very large. Let me see if I can take one seed out and show you. But these seeds are large and I love this pumpkin. See how big the seeds are? It's 2 seeds together, but yeah, it's a very large seed. But this pumpkin is big. It looks similar to this pumpkin, but it's just bigger, and it stores really, really well in the cellar. So that's why I like growing it. And this the next one is some seeds that I saved from last year also, and this is a yellow squash. And I'm growing this. So I'm growing this 4 kinds. These are all what I save from my own seed. And these 2 what I bought in the grocery store. So I mean, I had these seeds from 2 years ago, I think these seeds are. But anyways, this is what I'm growing this year. So let's get planting. I think I may also grow a couple of what do you call that? I think I may even grow a little bit of cantaloupe together with the pumpkins, because not last year, the year before last year, I grew some cantaloupe, and between them and the cantaloupe, they did well. So I'm gonna drop a couple of cantaloupe seeds in between the pumpkins and see if they like this soil here, the new location, and see if they're gonna do well. So yeah, I'm gonna do that also. And I have some seeds in here, and these are my saved seeds. Where are they? Yeah, I have some saved seeds in here, so I am definitely gonna plant some of these between the pumpkins. So let's get planting. Okay, my squash and my pumpkins are all planted, and all I need to do now is to give them a good watering in, and that's it. They're all done. And once they come up, I am going to be trellising them. Yeah, that's gonna be my new method this year. This is gonna be my new method this year of growing my pumpkins. I'm gonna be trellising some of them up and see how that go, because I have lots of branches that we cut from our willow tree and our maple tree. So yes, guys, thanks for watching. Hello to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you all. Thanks for always coming back and watch my videos. Remember, you all, that you're beautiful. Think beautiful thoughts on the inside of your head. Tell yourself every day that you're gorgeous, that you're beautiful, that you're lovely, and that you can do many things. So, ciao, ciao. I'll see you in the next one.